Yo Brollies, what's up? Just sharing a quick first look at the new Tecware B68 Plus mechanical keyboard. It offers a few significant upgrades like tri-mode connectivity that now includes 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity for better input latency, a completely different and better double-shot PVD keycaps, and features additional silicone dampener on both the spacebar and bottom case while maintaining the ever so useful universal hot swap socket. Inside the box, we have the Tecware B68 Plus keyboard itself, a user guide, the 2.4 GHz USB dongle, a wire keycap and switch puller, and a braided USB Type-C cable. Here's a quick sound test for you guys. Follow the link on bio for the full review.